This is part 2 of Bob's Pets. If you haven't watched the first video of Bob's Pets, go back and do that now. We're going to start by reviewing sight words that we learned in the last video. I'm going to play Beat the Teacher. See if you can say the sight word before I do. Say the first word. R. Say the next word. Over. Say the word. Said. Say the word. Likes. Say the word. Does. Say the word. That. Say the word. For. Say the word. He. Did you remember your sight words from last time? Let's go ahead and now review our decodable words. We're going to work on our fluency, trying to say the words quickly and accurately. Ready? Here we go. Ax. Tax. Say it with me. Ix. Mix. App. Lap. B. Rub. Et. Yet. Awesome. Let's take a look at the next row. Ready? Here we go. Et. Wet. At. Pat. Ought. Dot. If. Zip. At. Bat. Did you use your B&D strategy? Use that if you need to. Gum. Fog. Yum. Sit. Jam. Great work. Now we're going to read our story together. Bob's Pets. We're going to read out loud together. Ready? Here we go. Bob's Pets. Say the words out loud with me. Bob has a dog and a hog. The hog and the dog are pets. Bob likes his pets. Mom got the dog and the hog for Bob. The hog does not like the dog. The hog has a log. He will not let the dog go on his log. The dog likes to hop over the log. The hog does not like that. The hog can hop over the log too. This is my log, said the hog. Awesome job reading that with me. The next thing we're going to do is duet reading. I'll say the words in white and you'll say the words in yellow. So I'll say Bob's and you'll say Pets. Ready? Here we go. Bob's. Keep saying all the words in yellow throughout the whole story. Ready? Let's do it. Bob, a, and hog. Hog, the, are. Great work. Keep it up. Bob, his, mom, the, and hog, Bob. The does, like, dog. The has, log. Will, let, dog, on, log. Keep saying all the words in yellow. The, likes, hop, the, does, like, the, can, over, log, this, my, said, hog. Awesome work saying all of those words in yellow and duet reading for me. It's time now to do some writing. Take out your paper that looks like this, and we're going to start with some CVC words. Get your pencil ready. Right at the top of the page where it says CVC, you're going to write some CVC words. Our first word is the word hop. Say hop with me. Hop. Now you're going to write hop and make sure to say each sound in the word as you write it. Hop. All right, I'm going to write it and say the sounds as I write. Hop is an H. Ha, ah is an O. Hop, p is a P. H, a, p, hop. Let's try the next word. The next word is not. Write the word not here. Not. Say the sounds as you write. Not. Is an N. Ah is an O. T is a T. Not. Not. Check yours and see if it looks like mine. Our last word is the word pet. Write the word pet here. Pet. Say the sounds as you write. Pet. Pet. P is a P. E is an E. And T is a T. This is the word pet. Now I want you to add an S. What word do we have now? That's right, this is the word pets. It's a CVC word that we made plural by adding an S. Great work. We're going to be using some of these words when we write our sentences now. So let's come down to where there's a star. Let's count how many words are in our sentence. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a sentence with 4 words. The sentence is pets, hop, over, that. Say it with me. Pets, hop, over, that. We're going to start with the first 2 words. Pets, hop. Write those now. Pets, hop. Write pets under the first circle. Write hop under the second circle. Pets, hop. Pets, hop. Make sure to put a capital letter for the word pets, since it's the first word in our sentence. Make sure to do a finger space between the word pets and hop. Pets, hop. Our sentence is pets, hop, over, that. So let's write the last 2 words, over and that. Over will go below the 3rd circle, and that will go below the 4th circle. Over, that. Write the words over, that now. Pets, hop, over, that. Pets, hop, over, that. Check that you have an end mark here after the word that, period, an exclamation mark, or a question mark. All right, let's take a look at the words pets, hop, over, that. Check check and see if yours match, and if not, you can make a correction. This is the word pets. P-E-T-S. Pets. We can sound it out. On the top where you have your little circle, put a check mark if you got pets correct. If not, just make a change. Pets hop. This is another word we can sound out. It's a CVC word. Hop. Put a check on the top if you spelled hop correctly. Otherwise, go ahead and fix it. Over. This is the word over. You don't need to write anything in red, the hearts or the lines. They are just there to remind you that over starts with an O, making the long vowel sound O, and ER says Over. O-V-E-R. Put a check mark if you wrote the word over correctly. Otherwise, fix it now. Pets hop over that. Our last word is the word that. The TH makes the sound. That. Put a check mark if you have the word that spelled correctly. So TH and then at. A-T. T-H-A-T. Notice I have a period at the end of my sentence. Do you have one? Notice I have a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. Do you have one? How did you do with your finger spaces?